Welcome friends. Welcome to Industrial Pharmacy series. Today's topic is tablets. What is tablets? Tablet is defined as a compressed solid dosage form containing medicaments with or without excipients. So, today we will discuss about the classification of tablets in this video.
Now, there are four types of the tablets. First is the oral tablets for ingestion. Second one is the tablets used in the oral cavity. Third one is the tablets administered by other routes. And the fourth one is the tablets used to prepare the solutions. Now, the first one is the compressed tablets. So, they are formed by the compression of powdered, crystalline, or the granular materials by the application of high pressure. Then the second one is the multi-compressed tablets. They are composed of two or more layers, and these tablets are then prepared by subjecting the film material to more than one compression cycle. And the third one is the layered tablet. So in this figure you can see that there are two or more layers of the active ingredients, and these tablets are then prepared by the compression of the additional tablet granulation, and by this they form two layer or the three layer tablet. Then the fourth one is the repeat action tablet. They are the type of the extended release dosage form which contains two single doses of the medication, one for the immediate release and the one for the delay release. Then the fifth one comes is the enteric coated tablet. So here you can see in the figure that is the delay release tablet as well as the enteric coated tablet. So they are the dosage form which release the portion of a drug after its administration, but it takes 2 or more than 2 hours for its absorption. And in the enteric coated tablet, they have the delay release properties, and they are coated with the polymeric substances like phthalates, and they resist the solution in the gastric fluid but gets disintegrated, and it allows the drug dissolution and the absorption in the intestine only. So here you can see the example is the pantoprazole sodium, which is a proton pump inhibitor. It is an enteric coated tablet which is used in the peptic ulcers. Then the next one comes is the film coated tablets. They are the conventional tablets coated with thin layer of polymers like HPMC, or a mixture of polymers which are capable of forming a skin like film. So in this figure you can see that how there is a film over the tablet. Then the next one is the sugar coated tablet. They have been used for coating with the concentrated sugar solution, which improves the patient compliances, increase the aesthetic appeal, and mask the objectional odor. And hence, they are used to increase the stability of a tablet. In this figure, you can see how good sugar coated tablets are in their organoleptic view. And the last tablet is the chewable tablet. They are the big size tablets which are difficult to swallow, and hence they have to be chewed within the buccal cavity prior to swallowing. They are useful for the administration of the large tablet to the children and the adults who have difficulty in swallowing the conventional tablets, and hence they are to be formulated in the antacid containing preparations. Now the tablets used in the oral cavity. First one is the buccal tablets as well as the sublingual tablets. So the buccal tablets as well as the sublingual tablets are small, flat, oval tablets that are intended to be dissolved in the buccal pouch or beneath the tongue. That is in case of the sublingual tablets for the absorption through the oral mucosa to produce a systemic effect. So here you can see in the sublingual tablet is the famous drug, that is the nitroglycerin, which is useful for the treatment of the angina. Then comes the trouches and the lozenges. Here you can see the diagram of a lozenges. They are disc shaped solid preparations containing the medicinal agents and the flavoring agents in hard candy or the sugar base. Then comes the dental cone. They are the tablet form intended to be placed in the empty socket following the tooth extraction, and they prevent the local multiplication of the pathogenic bacteria. Now the third one is the tablets administered by the other routes. First one is the implantation tablets. These tablets are placed under the skin or inserted by means of the minor surgical operations. And then comes the vaginal tablets. They are uncoated bullet shape or the over tablets which are designed for the vaginal administration. They are prepared by the compression and are shaped to fit or tightly on the plastic inserter device. Now the fourth one is the tablets used to prepare the solution. First one is the effervescent tablets. So they are the uncoated tablets that generally contains organic acids like that of the citric acid and the sodium bicarbonate in addition to the medicinal substance or API. They react rapidly in the presence of water by releasing the carbon dioxide. Then comes the dispensing tablets. They are referred to as the compounding tablets. They contains the highly potent API and are used by the pharmacists to compound the prescriptions that can be incorporated readily into powders and the liquids. Then comes the hypodermic tablets. They are soft as well as the readily soluble tablets that were originally used by the physician and are dissolved in a suitable vehicle which are administered by the parenteral routes. And the last one is the tablet triturates. They are small, usually cylindrical, molded or the compressed tablets containing small amount of usually potent drugs mixed with a combination of sucrose and the lactose. Molded tablets are manufactured by filling a mortar with wet powder containing the active ingredients and then placing powder between special film. They are also filled in the dies as well as punches in order to get the molded dosage form. Now the hypodermic tablets are no longer used in most of the countries due to the difficulties in achieving the sterility. And the examples of the effervescent tablets include the vitamin C as well as the antacid containing preparation. Thank you so much for watching this video.